In the world of pharmaceutical sales, every visit counts, every report matters, and every second in the field drives impact. But when operations run on disconnected tools and manual processes, data errors rise, reporting slows, and visibility fades. What if everything your field teams, managers, and leadership need came together on one intelligent platform? Introducing SANone, the next generation Pharma SFA. Designed to unify, simplify, and accelerate sales operations, SANone brings together every critical function your teams rely on, from doctor call reporting and e-detailing to order booking, expense management, and much more. But modern pharma challenges aren't about features alone. They're about execution, clarity, and speed. Nearly 7 out of 10 organizations struggle with inconsistent execution because of manual and complex workflows. SANone solves this with preset, zero-code workflow templates. Field teams miss up to 30% of critical follow-ups. SANone's AI nudges analyze activity and performance, delivering timely reminders and smart recommendations. Over 60% of leaders lack clarity, not data. Dynamic dashboards present real-time performance in a single view, making it easy to spot progress, gaps, and trends at a glance. Every team needs different reports. Customizable reports let users choose the data, filters, and format they need, turning scattered information into clear insights and enabling faster decisions. Reps often waste time collecting data manually, causing errors and delays. With custom forms, they can create surveys themselves, and using custom fields, they can add, remove, or tailor the exact fields they need, capturing precise data instantly without IT support. Companies using multiple platforms face 40% more data inconsistencies. SANone integrates seamlessly with ERP, HR, finance, and analytics platforms built on the One Build architecture. SANone combines the speed of a unified platform with the flexibility of individual setups. Hosted on AWS Cloud with a 99.9% uptime guarantee, each client gets a dedicated, encrypted database for security and smooth performance, while updates and new features roll out instantly across the system. For field reps, the modern app interface makes every task effortless. It supports local languages, works offline, automates reporting, and enables quick check-ins. For managers, live dashboards provide instant visibility into field activity and performance. For admins, SANone delivers complete control, enabling workflow configuration, user access control, data management, and task automation without any technical dependency. SANone is backed by dedicated customer success teams, personalized training, and local time zone-based support. One platform, one experience, one unified control. SANone, available on Android and iOS. Book your free trial today.